Hey friends, it is me, Benny Bear. Guess what time it is?
It is birthday time for our amazing November stars.
Woo! Hoo! Let us dance, sing, and celebrate you because November kids are extra special.
Happy birthday, November star. We're so proud of who you are. Cool winds blow and the sky so blue. This special day belongs to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, it's true. November hearts are warm and bright. Let's dance and sing tonight. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, it's true. November hearts are warm and bright. The candles glow. The candles glow. The laughter rings. The laughter rings. Joy and hugs in everything. Benny Bear and friends all cheer. November's love is here. Happy birthday, shout hooray! November kids, it's your day. Happy birthday, yes it's true.